Today I'm testing a compact superpower turbo fan from Seauto to see what it's actually capable of and whether it can make cleaning faster and easier. Dust builds up everywhere, on keyboards, inside PCs, even in AC vents. And it's not just for cleaning, it can also inflate things like sofa cushions, travel bags or balloons. So let's check out how powerful this air blower really is. Let's start by opening the box and see what comes inside. Right on top you get the user manual and it's available in multiple languages. There's also a warning card. Please read this before using it. In this small box, you'll find all the accessories like there's a USB-C charging cable, 2 different cleaning brushes for the turbo fan, and 5 different air nozzles for different use cases. You also get a storage pouch so you can keep everything together and easily carry it while traveling. And of course we have the Seauto turbo fan itself. That's pretty much everything you need in the box. No unnecessary extras, just the essentials. Now let's take a closer look at the turbo fan. First thing you'll notice is how compact and lightweight it is. It weighs around 289 grams, so using it with one hand is effortless. The body feels solid and the grip stays comfortable even during longer cleaning sessions. You get 3 wind speed levels and switching between them with one hand is very convenient. The first gear runs at 15,000 RPM, the second at 75,000 RPM, and the third goes up to a powerful 125,000 RPM, enough to tackle even the toughest dust. Inside it uses a brushless motor that goes up to 125,000 RPM. For some context, that's much higher than what you get from most regular air dusters. The airflow is strong enough to blow out dust that's deep inside components, not just what's sitting on the surface. I even used it outdoors to clean around a small shelter I made for a stray cat at my university. It cleared all the dust and debris around the area easily and saved me a lot of time and effort. I also tried this on my AC vents and it works surprisingly well. Dust that's usually stuck deep inside the fins gets blown out easily, especially with the narrow nozzle. You can actually see the dust coming out, which tells you the airflow is doing its job. It's a quick way to keep airflow clean without needing professional cleaning every time. For desk and keyboard cleaning, this thing is a lifesaver. It blows out dust, crumbs, and tiny particles from between the keys in seconds. I like that there's no moisture at all, so it's safe for electronics. It keeps the desk area clean without scratching or pushing dirt deeper. If you have a desktop or a mini PC, regular cleaning really matters. Using this air duster helps remove dust from fans and internal components, which improves airflow and keeps temperatures under control. Over time, this can help your PC stay stable and avoid heat-related issues. It's a simple habit that can extend the life of your hardware. And it's not just for cleaning. With the right nozzle, you can also use it to inflate things like sofa cushions, travel bags, balloons or other inflatable items. The airflow is strong enough to get the job done quickly. It's one of those features you don't expect to use much, but once you do, it's actually very useful. Another possible use is for small bonfires or camping fires. The strong airflow can help push oxygen toward the fire and get it going faster. The Seauto turbo fan comes with a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to get a full charge. Depending on the speed setting you choose, it can run anywhere from 8 minutes on the highest speed up to 68 minutes on the lowest, so it's flexible enough for quick touch-ups or longer cleaning sessions. I wouldn't recommend this to everyone, but if you clean electronics, tight spaces or dusty corners often, this makes the process much faster. It's not magic, but it did more than I expected. And that's usually enough for me. If you want to get one for yourself, the link is in the description. Check it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.